before that, we have to press the control button, which is present over the PLC control panel. So this is the control button which provides supply to the gripper to enable the gripping action. Okay, and it provides supply to the human machine interface panel, which is present in front of the robotics. So that's an important point which you should remember. So without that, the gripper will not function. So now we are going to insert move commands. Okay, and as we discussed in the last classes, so we are going to insert the home position as the first command. So in servo on ready, you have to enable the enable switch and then insert enter. Okay. So as we discussed, you can change the speed, joint speed to be 50% of the maximum speed. Okay. Okay, so we have inserted that command and the speed is set to be 50% of the maximum speed. Okay, and then now we are going for the second position. So we are changing the axis. And we are inserting this as the second position. So again insert enter. I'm using move J command. You can use all the axes. So this can be the third position. Okay. So this can be the third position. So we're entering it. So you have to look the job at every angle. So in this angle, if you look at the cylinder, it may look like you are going to grab the cylinder smoothly, but when you look in the opposite direction, it may be different. Okay. So you may see from this direction, you can see that there's a change in position. Okay, so you have to correct that. So you can less the speed by using this slow command. When you press this slow command, you can see here there's a change in speed. Okay, when you press fast, this is medium. When you again press fast, this is high speed. So you can, when you teach the robot, you can set this speed. Okay, so now we are going for low speed. Okay, so you can see here this is low. So with this speed we are going to program teach the robot. So you can see the robot is moving very slowly. So again you have to look from all the directions whether you are going to grip it correctly. So this can be the fourth position. So now we are going so this can be the next position, and to grip it manually, now you have to go to in out universal output. You can see here there are various universal output commands: conveyor 1 on, gripper open, gripper close, camera trigger, conveyor 2 on, conveyor 2 off, and conveyor 1 off. So depending on what you need, you can select it. So now our need is to close the gripper, so go for keep the cursor on gripper close, and you have to press interlock and select. So you can see here the gripper has been closed. Okay, so again, so you can deselect it, and you have to note which is the output number. Okay, so for gripper close it is out number 3, and for gripper open it is out number 2. Okay, so now you have to go in the job, and you have to press this inform list. Okay, when you press this inform list, you will get numerous number of options, and from this you have to go for pulse. Okay, you can see here pulse OT 1, it is being displayed. So you can change the number, okay, depending on what you need. So again, for gripper open it is 2, and gripper close it is 3. So you have to enter gripper close. Okay, so again you are going for inform list pulse, so it should be number 3. Okay, insert and so now you have to insert the third output number so that your gripper will be closed. Okay, so this is enter, insert and enter. You can see here pulse output number 3. This is the command which is used to close the gripper. Okay, so now this inform list is displayed, and you once again press this inform list, the list will get disappeared. So as a precaution, on the first step, you should enter the gripper should be open. Okay, so if ever the gripper is closed, you should not repeat the same gripper close command here. So as the first command, you should enter gripper open. Okay, so if ever the gripper is closed, so at the start of the program the gripper will be open. Okay, so the gripper should be open, so it should go to the first position, second position, third position. Line number 5 represents the fourth position, number 6 represents the fifth position, and finally you should be able to close it. Okay, okay, so now we should be able to check up to the work home position and the object gripping position. Okay, so we'll check it. So now you have to go for in out universal output, so we'll open. Okay, interlock and select. Okay, so already it's open, so okay, so now for the work composition. We will go for the work composition. Okay. So now, so we will now see. We will test and see up to what we have done. Okay. We will go to the work composition, and then we will start from the first. So interlock and destroy. So it moves very fast as we have given 50% of maximum speed, and it's jerking because I am not continuously pressing the test start. If you press continuously, then it will be moving very fast. Okay. So to reduce the speed and to check the steps of the robot, I am pressing in particular intervals. So you can see here the robot has reached the particular point, but the speed is very high, so we will reduce the speed to 10. Okay. Now we will interlock. Now it has gripped. Okay. So what we have done up to this position is verified. Now we have to go to another position. So we will lift. So I am storing this position. This is the next position. I am moving. So in this, can increase the speed. So to go maximum speed. So before I store this position, you should be able to store this. Okay, insert and enter, and then you can store it. Okay. So now again I have to open the gripper. Okay, for that I'll be going for inform list, input, pulse, and 2. Okay, now insert and 2. Okay, so as per the program I have opened the gripper, but manually gripper. Okay, so I am opening the second. Okay, so now I am going back to the original position, work composition. So job, and then y minus. So I am inserting this as a second position, next position, and now I am going for the work composition. So So I can see here as per this position the encoder values are different. Okay. So when I press forward, actually the robot is going to the work home position, and you can see that the work home position is reached. So the origin and current values are the same. Okay. So I am entering this as a last position. So this is the program for pick and place. Okay. Now we'll verify from the first. So you are going to test the whole pick and place application. So this is how a pick and place application is programmed using a desktop.